was once a thug from around the way.
My life was never easy.
Hey yo, what it do? It's your boy J Lou, and you are just in time for something new. Alright, now in today's video, it's been a minute. I ain't gonna get into it. You know, life has been basically taking place. A lot of good things, a lot of bad things. But I wanted to, before I started making videos again, just basically level up everything that I've been doing, because that's just the part of where I'm going with my life, you know. So with that being said, I don't want to talk your heads off. I just wanted to show you all that this is the progress that I've made from cutting my hair very low. I decided to just scrap the pattern that I was working on previously with the videos that I was shooting and just start over and go with the regular 360 beehive. More so, it's like a swirl hive, but we'll see how things play out. I don't care anymore about calling the pattern and all that kind of stuff like that. I'm just brushing to get the cleanest looking waves possible. So with that being said, let me go ahead and show y'all what my waves looking like after 7 months of woofing. This is my first woof on this pattern, you know. So with that being said, let me just show y'all, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably miss me. It's been a minute, but I'm gonna probably have a follow-up video going into the details of that. I just wanted to put this video out just to show y'all what my progress has been looking like, because a lot of people have been asking. So as y'all can see, this is my right side. You know, everything really starts from your crown. So let me go ahead and show y'all. This is what my crown is looking like as of right now. You know, and then as we go to the left side typically is my best side. We're gonna see how things play out. Of course, this is the top of my pattern. People love to comment about me wearing a do-rag a certain type of way. That's from stitches as a kid. I'm gonna say that every single video because I'm tired of seeing y'all comments about it. And then that is the back of my waves. Really not paying too much emphasis on the back, just because I mainly sleep on my back, so that's gonna be a difficult spot to take care of, you know. But at the end of the day, that's what my waves looking like. I do not encourage you as a beginner to go longer than 4 to 6 weeks on your first woof, but y'all know I ain't no beginner. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna drop more videos in the future in regards to my progress, as well as give some life updates and just really just elevate the channel to where I know it can be and where it should be. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all for taking the time out y'all day to watch this video. It's your boy J Lou. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Salute.